Welcome to Rift Guardian, a hack and slash game that's built for PC that has several different types of combinations that you can level up by defeating enemies of different types. Enemies are spawned throughout the level and have different resistances to the different types of attack combinations. These types of enemies, the player must decide which area of combinations will most accurately and effectively defeat different enemies. The progression is unlocked as the player moves throughout. This first level is a tutorial, so the only way that this will be unlocked is if the player learns how to hit the use the sword, which is a right click. There is also a pause menu by pressing escape where the player can exit the game, resume the game. The camera is currently still unpaused, but all of the other triggers and functions of the game are paused. You can access a discipline tree, which will be explained at the end of the first level, which is a tutorial level. But the disciplines are unlocked by defeating the final mini-boss of each level. You gain Guardian points this way, which allows you to unlock a different type of combination attack. As you can see, there are 3 different types. If you click on it, on select, you learn that you don't have any Guardian points right now, and you must defeat the level. By clicking resume game, the game world is unpaused and the player can move ahead. Using the sword unlocks the next challenge. As you can see, there are different types of enemies. These are skeleton enemies that are easily defeated. So then the next unlock takes place. There is a mini map in the corner to help you figure out where to go, although this level design is very easy to interact and very linear in its progression. Okay. Continuing through the map, you will encounter more enemies of all types. You can hear the sound effects for the different enemies. And progress through. This is the final boss, which is a larger combination of all the enemies. Pressing right mouse click will allow you to use your sword. Left mouse click will use your gun. And middle is to use magic. You must also be able to avoid the obstacles of this particular level, which in this case is a hole in the center of the level. After defeating the mini bosses of this level, you continue, and that ends our demo.